We had some pretty high expectations. We were very excited and we were blown away with the results.
Vibrant actually elevated our branding content, put their own spin on it, and in a way that made me happy.
I'm Ashley.
I'm Adam.
And we own KBF Design Gallery. It's a design-to-build firm out of Maitland, Florida.
We came to Vibrant with a concept, an idea of how we wanted our content to appear. With no technical knowledge, we knew what we liked, we knew what we wanted, but no idea on how to execute it.
Vibrant really helped us with our brand video and bringing not only the professionalism, you curated questions that really helped us articulate what our audience wants to hear. We have done a few videos before. All of the planning, the burden of that was on us.
The pre-production process with Vibrant took the burden of doing this away.
We said, we have these ideas. These are what we're hoping to get out of it. The next call, you all had scripts for us, questions, suggestions. You could just tell there was passion behind wanting to get this shot correct.
We're in somewhat of an artistic industry. You talk to people and you give them an artistic concept. Sometimes people don't get it. Vibrant got it, and they understood what we were trying to capture.
The deliverables that we took away from the investment we made with Vibrant far exceeded any of the expectations that we had.
We're looking for a partner to do this long term with, and we really feel like we found that with Vibrant. Absolutely, we would recommend Vibrant to others. It's a pleasure to work with you all.
100% go to Vibrant.